Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to a Friday market wrap-up. And this is today is August 19th, 2022. Right. So let's get into the charts and see what is the action today. Right. Very clearly evident wide range bearish candle. Okay. Nifty. And this is Bank Nifty, clear wide range bearish candle. This is what is, it's a bull trap. That means it tried to rise above the previous candle's high and then close below that. Right? Same bull trap. It trapped the bulls. It went long, so all the bulls went along with that and then trapped it. It's also a exhaustion candle. It's a last engulfing candle. Right? This candle completely engulfs previous candle as well as the previous 3 days of candles are engulfed. That's heavily bearish. Of course, we had 1.1% of down, 200 points gone, and nearly 700 points gone on Bank Nifty. So we have bearish engulfing, which indicates an exhaustion in the rise. It's a pullback that was expected, and it does happen finally. Now it has taken away the support that was there here in the gap. And there is a gap support here that's taken away, and then now another gap is there for the down. It could retrace some more, right? Probably, or it could consolidate for 1 or 2 days and then move up more, then again retrace some more. All these possibilities are there because the correction is due. Decent correction has happened for it to move and break above the 18,000 and 40,000 kind of level. So it may do it in 1 day or 1 week, or it could move further down and do that later. It's up to the market to do, right? We just have to look at the support resistance levels. So that's a big bearish day today. Engulfing candle, candlestick patterns we have seen. It all happened after 11 o'clock when it suddenly fall down within a few seconds, then it was trending down. Now the question is, would this fall back into the bearish candle, into the bearish, into the trend line channel? Basically on the weekly, we had seen a beautiful trend line breakout, right? So if it closes inside this trend line candle next week, then we have trouble. It could be a reversal to the bottom, right? That is the only question in front of us. Look at change in polarity bounce is also possible. Change in polarity is it takes a support at a previous resistance and then bounces up. That is possible. It is at a support zone near the gap both. So that, or it could do that later also. Okay. Support resistance the above is 18,100, 40,160, and then 18,341, and banking index 4829. So the two immediate resistance on the upside. Supports, one support is broken on all both indices basically, and now next gap support is at 17,560. And then below that 69.48, 7,000 nearby levels. It's too far. 38,401 is a support, and 36,601 is a support after that, and the banking index. Right. Orange bands, you can clearly see that it is fallen off from the band, and the distance from the median is 20 DMA, and this is quite far. So it will keep on attracting at all the rest. So that is and there is some bend that has happened here. You can see the top move is halted. So that is kind of negative, but bullishness is evident from the expanding bands for sure. Momentum also is positive, clear bullishness is there, right? But the only thing is momentum, it has fallen, taken a dip, but that dip is sometimes good, right? This is known as a positive reverse divergence bullish. So it could, if the price falls down, and if the price moves up and the momentum falls down, then you have a positive reverse divergence, which is positive and can take the market further up move. Sometimes this momentum may need to dip and take a support near the 40, and still it is a valid positive reverse divergence. So still the market, it could work out. So the momentum, where does it halt? Does it halt at the 60 level? Right? The 60 level can fall and still it is valid. So there is that possibility of divergence is there, which is also bullish. Trend is also bullish, but only thing is it has taken a bend. I'd be cautious about that. Trend taking a bend indicates that there is some downfall that is there, and that bend on the strength of the trend is evident on both. Negative thing is India VIX has spiked up 6% in one single day. Futures OI is negative because short buildup is seen today's action. Options OI is having a very wide range of 1,000 points. Uncertainty. Highest put and call rating is at 17 and 800,000 points apart. And 4 days before monthly expiry. 38,000 and 39,000 is where the 25th monthly August expiry. Bank Nifty levels are the highest support and resistance seen. Now PCR is also fallen off from the bullishness. It's above 1 now. It is just 6.5 and 7.1 and all that, right? It's not good. Sectors, all sectors today went bearish except IT. Short term, some of them like auto has fallen to the sideways momentum. IT, FMCG, Metal Reality maintain the bullishness on the short term perspective. FMCG is the only one now. It is most bullish, right? Monthly and both weekly and daily if you combine and see. Right? Heavyweights, all the heavyweights were bearish today, 1% plus 1.5% kind of fall has happened. IT has maintained to close it flat. Banking index is among the heavyweights, this Kodak Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all these banking indexes or heavyweights have short-term momentum in the bullish on itself. That is interesting. Others are all struggling to maintain the short-term bullishness at least. So that is something. FIS data has not come out. We refresh it once more. But definitely good heavy selling has happened yesterday. Yesterday they had sold 1,700 after 13 days of continuous buying FIS. So that is not positive. Crude oil is falling, which is positive. Dollar is rising, spiking up, which is negative. Gold is flat and consolidating. SGX is flat and US is also flat, and yesterday was a red day. I'll have to see that Monday morning what all happens after today's trading in the US markets night. Major events next week is the monthly expiry, so it will be highly volatile. That's a wrap up of price action and the bearish formation or the correction rather awaited, much awaited correction that has happened. That's a wrap up on this Friday weekend. So watch out for Sunday's weekly expiry. We would take a view. We would analyze the weekly, know all these parameters in detail, and there we would be taking a market view for the next week, right? So please don't forget to watch that. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you like the content, consider hitting the like button and share it to maximum. We have very few subscriptions and appreciate your help in this regard. Thanks for watching. Happy trading. Happy learning. Bye bye.